Hello and welcome to this video where I will be showing you how you can add a background to your Squarespace header. Here we are over at Squarespace. In this example, I'm going to upload this image as my Squarespace header background. So what I do recommend you guys to do in order to actually get this working is to add a block, then an image block, and upload the image that you want to have at the background on the header, either from your files or either you can select an image from the free Unsplash on Squarespace. In this instance, I'm going to do that. It's the free Unsplash image, which I got from Squarespace. It's also important that you also upload that images because we're going to have to need the URL for the image on your website in order to get this working. So simply what I just like to do is just have that here now as we're doing this, and we can delete it later. In order to make this work, we have to add some custom code. The code will be down in the description. So let's get this started. So coming to the custom CSS, that is where we have to add the code. And in order to come into here, what you simply want to be doing is clicking on the website tools and then the custom CSS. Inside here, you need to copy the code, which is down in the description. So just copy that. And in order to find out the URL for your image, simply just right click this image and open it in a new tab, copy that URL, and then paste that URL in between those lines. And as you can see, we now have gotten a own background for our Squarespace header. And also you have some possibilities to customize the code. For example, you can see that on this instance that the background position of the image is top. But for example, say you have an image that you want the center to be shown, just write center. And you can see that it centers the image. And you can see that it actually makes the image go more central. And this you can play around with as much as you like. For example, if you want it to be center to the left, just write center left. Or if you want it to be bottom to the right, just like bottom right. The same with top left, just do that. So we have many possibilities to do that right there. Also, you do have the possibility to drag it down if you want it to be bigger. That is always also possible. So there are many ways in which you can make this work. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, please leave a like. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, the links are down below. And as always, have a great day.